Your faith in yourself is the key to unlocking the door of success. Neville Goddard. The immense power you hold within you, a power that shapes not only your own reality but also influences the world around you. This power is rooted in faith, a force so profound that it can transform your experiences and bring your deepest desires to fruition. Today we explore the extraordinary impact of faith on our lives and how harnessing this force can lead to remarkable changes. Faith is often misunderstood as mere belief or hope. However, it is far more dynamic and influential. It's not just about having confidence in a particular outcome, but about deeply understanding and embodying the power of your own consciousness. Faith is a state of being that aligns your thoughts, feelings, and actions with a higher purpose, shaping your reality through your inner convictions. To truly grasp the power of faith, consider it as a fundamental principle that governs the universe. It operates on the premise that what you believe and feel deeply will manifest in your life. This principle is not confined to religious or spiritual contexts, but applies universally to every aspect of our existence. Whether you're pursuing personal goals, facing challenges, or seeking transformation, faith plays a crucial role in determining the outcomes you experience. The practice of faith involves more than just thinking positively. It requires a profound internal alignment with your desires and aspirations. This alignment is achieved by immersing yourself in the feeling of having already achieved your goals. When you align your emotions and thoughts with the reality you wish to create, you set into motion a process that brings that reality closer to you. This process is often subtle and requires patience, as the changes may not always be immediately visible. However, the consistent application of faith ensures that your desires are steadily being brought into fruition. One of the key aspects of harnessing faith is understanding the power of imagination. Imagination is not just a tool for escape or fantasy, it is a creative force that shapes your reality. By vividly imagining the outcomes you desire, you are engaging in a powerful act of creation. This imaginative process helps you to align your internal state with the external reality you wish to manifest. It's important to engage in this imaginative process with full emotional involvement, as the depth of your feeling amplifies the effect of your imagination. Faith also requires an understanding of the principle of persistence. The journey of manifesting your desires through faith is not always straightforward. It demands consistent effort, unwavering belief, and resilience in the face of setbacks. Persistence in maintaining your faith and aligning your actions with your desires is crucial for overcoming obstacles and achieving your goals. The more persistent you are, the more you reinforce the reality you wish to create, making it more likely to materialize. Another critical component of faith is the practice of letting go. This involves releasing attachment to specific outcomes and trusting in the process. When you hold on too tightly to how or when your desires will manifest, you create resistance that can hinder the process. Letting go means having faith that the universe will bring your desires to you in the best possible way and at the right time. This trust allows you to remain open to unexpected opportunities and to receive what is best for you. Additionally, the practice of faith involves a deep sense of gratitude. Gratitude acts as a powerful amplifier of your intentions and helps to maintain a positive mindset. By regularly acknowledging and appreciating the things you already have, you create a sense of abundance that attracts more positive experiences into your life. This practice reinforces your faith and helps to align your vibrations with the reality you wish to create. Faith is also about understanding and working with the law of attraction. This law states that like attracts like. Therefore, by aligning your thoughts and emotions with positive outcomes, you attract similar experiences into your life. This alignment involves consistently focusing on what you want rather than what you don't want, thereby creating a magnetic effect that draws your desires towards you. As we continue to explore the profound impact of faith on our lives, it's important to consider how this inner force influences our interactions with others and the world around us. Faith doesn't just transform our personal experiences, but also extends its influence into our relationships and broader social environments. By nurturing a strong sense of faith, we begin to see its effects ripple outward, affecting how we relate to others and engage with the world. One significant aspect of this influence is the way faith shapes our communication and interactions. When we approach conversations and relationships with a foundation of faith, we bring a sense of confidence, openness, and positivity into our interactions. This approach not only enhances our ability to connect with others, but also fosters a more supportive and empathetic environment. Our faith in ourselves and in others' potential creates a space where constructive dialogue and mutual understanding can flourish. By embodying the principles of faith in our daily interactions, we contribute to building a more harmonious and collaborative atmosphere. Additionally, faith impacts our ability to overcome social and professional challenges. In situations where we encounter obstacles or face uncertainties, our faith acts as a guiding light, helping us navigate difficulties with resilience and optimism. This unwavering belief in the potential for positive outcomes enables us to approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset rather than being overwhelmed by fear or doubt. When we maintain faith in our capabilities and in the eventual resolution of challenges, we foster a proactive and confident approach to problem solving. Another important dimension of faith is its role in inspiring and motivating us to take action towards our goals. Faith is not a passive state, but an active force that drives us to pursue our aspirations with determination and enthusiasm. When we cultivate a deep-seated faith in our objectives and in our ability to achieve them, we are more likely to take the necessary steps to bring our goals to fruition. This proactive stance is essential for translating our desires into tangible results and for maintaining momentum in our endeavors. Moreover, faith influences our ability to attract and create opportunities. By maintaining a positive and confident mindset, we align ourselves with the frequency of abundance and possibility. This alignment enhances our ability to recognize and seize opportunities that align with our goals and aspirations. When we approach life with faith and optimism, we are more likely to encounter favorable circumstances and to make connections that support our progress. This magnetic effect of faith helps us attract the resources, people, and experiences that contribute to our success. By recognizing the role of faith in shaping our reality, we can better understand how to harness its power effectively. Faith influences not only our personal aspirations, but also how we connect with others and navigate through life's challenges. It is a driving force that encourages proactive engagement, fosters resilience, and inspires us to pursue our goals with unwavering confidence. This internal power is crucial for creating the reality we envision and for maintaining a positive outlook, even in the face of difficulties. Applying faith involves more than mere positive thinking. It requires a consistent and conscious effort to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our desired outcomes. This alignment is achieved through practices such as visualization and gratitude, which help to reinforce our beliefs and maintain focus on our goals. By engaging in these practices regularly, we strengthen our faith and enhance our ability to manifest the experiences we seek. Faith enhances our ability to experience joy and fulfillment. When we approach life with a strong sense of faith, we are more likely to appreciate the present moment and to find contentment in our journey. This positive outlook contributes to a greater sense of satisfaction and happiness, enriching our overall experience. By cultivating faith, we enhance our ability to enjoy the process of pursuing our goals and to celebrate our achievements. In conclusion, the impact of faith extends beyond personal transformation to influence our relationships, professional endeavors, and overall well-being. By integrating faith into various aspects of our lives, we enhance our ability to connect with others, overcome challenges, take proactive steps towards our goals, and attract opportunities. This powerful force empowers us to live with greater purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Thinking of faith as a guiding principle enriches our journey and helps us navigate the complexities of life with confidence and grace. Faith is a powerful force that shapes our reality and influences our experiences. By understanding and applying the principles of faith, such as imagination, persistence, letting go, gratitude, and the law of attraction, we harness a dynamic force that brings our deepest desires to fruition. This understanding empowers us to take control of our lives and to create the reality we envision. If you found this exploration of faith enlightening and inspiring, there are several ways to continue engaging with these ideas. First, consider giving this video a thumbs up to show your appreciation and support. Your feedback helps us continue creating valuable content. Second, subscribing to our channel ensures you stay updated with the latest videos that get into similar topics and offer further insights. Third, sharing this video with friends or family who might benefit from this message spreads the wisdom and encourages others to explore the power of faith. Fourth, leaving a comment with your thoughts or questions allows us to engage with you directly and fosters a deeper discussion. Lastly, clicking the notification bell keeps you informed about new content so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of faith. Your support and engagement are greatly appreciated, and we look forward to continuing this journey of discovery with you. Keep nurturing your faith, aligning your actions with your desires, and watching as your reality transforms in extraordinary ways.